that's all that counts. A walk around boat would be awesome, eh? Don't let him go back round that anchor rope. Is that fish still on, Jules?
Yeah.
Don't let that rod go.
You like my fishing style?
So long as the fish is still on there and it's going to go line class. Do you want me to move that rod? Here. I moved it over because I thought you were coming on the other side for a while there.
Okay.
Back! Back! You're back!
Nothing happened. Nothing happened at all. This is how we always fish.
That fish should be bloody tired. Oh, already! So this is Jules' shark.
I'm glad it's a gummy.
Where did you get a bucket?
I wanted it to be a gummy.
This one.
You want that one?
So that's Jules' shark. We're going to take some photos and we're going to string her up. She's got a, I reckon she's going to go line class.
I reckon she will go line class. She's friggin' heavy.
That's just because you had such a big fight.
I did have a big fight.
She's not that heavy. Right, I'm just going to turn this off now and take some photos, Jules.